Whew. It's cold, man. It's cold here in Florida. Do you see this temperature right here? Do you see this? It's cold, man. It was 41 when I got up. Finally got to Florida, man. And the difference is, it's a wet cold because there's constantly moisture in the air here, so it's very penetrating. Even the northern people that come down here go, wow, it's cold. You go, yeah, it's because there's water floating around in the air that's 41 degrees, getting on your skin, penetrating your clothing. We're not wimps. It's just cold, man. Alright, well, listen, it was way too windy yesterday to fly, so I didn't get a chance to do the SkyController 3 DW build. But I have it today. Everything's all set up. I'm gonna go grab a little breakfast, and then we're gonna take this thing out and we're gonna see how it handles, and we're gonna have some fun. I'll explain later why the Bluetooth does not mess with the Wi-Fi. Everybody keeps going, man, you're gonna lose your drone because it's gonna fly away because the Bluetooth is gonna mess with the Wi-Fi. And I'm like, that is not the case. And I'm gonna tell you why later on. So stick around for that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah, JJRC. Running out of gas, so here we are. Looks like they rebuilt the station. Chevron instead of Sunoco now. Interesting. Well, let's get some fuel. Lots of Halo games. Already beat Halo 3, Halo Wars, and I hated ODST. It was horrible. Horrible. Not seeing this racing game he was talking about. Looks like they only have this section left for 360, and all the rest of this is all Xbox One. That sucks. If this is the largest selection of 360 that they have. This is why we shop online now. See, that's exactly the reason right there. Alright guys, I just powered on the Wi-Fi repeater. We got a little red light here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And the Wi-Fi repeater is connected to, this is the SkyController 3 that I built. This is the Ipega Classic game controller. It goes on eBay for about 20 bucks. This is the Z160 Wi-Fi repeater, which you can change the SMA connectors on to put different antennas on here. We found with two alpha 7 dBi patch antennas that we get about almost 3 miles of range out of this Wi-Fi repeater. So pretty good. Holds all the way up to gigantic tablets. You can grab this and stretch it way out if you want to. There we go. It's connected to the drone, so we're good to go. If you turn this around, you can see I just use locking Velcro to put the Wi-Fi repeater on there. Very easy little setup. And now I'm going to get inside the app. First thing we're going to do is open up Free Flight Pro. Make sure that we have a good connection here. Okay. Excellent. I will now push the back button if I can find it here. Now we're going to turn on the transmitter, or the controller here. I'm going to hold the home button. When that turns solid orange there, that means that it is connected. There we go. This is just registered that another device is connected, so I'm going to go up here into the corner. And we're going to click on the little thing. I'm going to hit connect to controller. You'll see Ipega Classic game controller, and we'll go to button mapping so I can see what we need to do here. So let's see, takeoff and landing is X, camera tilt is L2 and J2, which is weird. That's L2 is the top one and J2 is the right one, so that's hard to remember there. I may have to go through and switch these around a little bit, but I can actually just record from the screen, so I'm good there. Return to home is Y, so I think I have pretty much what I need from this. So we'll go back. I'll start off here. I'm gonna go ahead and your drone needs to calibrate for outdoor. Calibrate, okay. Excellent. All right, guys. I have Wi-Fi. We have good signal. Well, let's just see what happens. I'm going to start a recording here. So recording is now active. I'm going to push X. We'll get up in the air here. I have good FPV. We'll push forward. I'll take it up a little bit. Oh wow, it's in sport mode here. Let's go ahead and take this out of sport mode. Piloting. Oh no, it's in video. Okay. All right. Wow, it's very aggressive. Huh. That's interesting stuff. I'll barely push on it. Oh, I see. So I just need to be more... Alright, so the camera triggers are very sensitive here. But I do have solid FPV. I mean, there's a little breakup. I don't have my good antennas on there right now. So we'll just kind of take it slow. I do have bank turning active. So let's just kind of rip it around the field here and see how we do.
Lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.